We return to Technipaint's Durban branch for another in-depth application and training session on using isolation sealer with the Flexothane polyurethane system on MDF. We'll start with raw MDF prone to swelling, edges and rooted profiles, sanding it with 320 to 400 grit sandpaper to remove loose fibers. Following sanding and dust removal, we start with the isolation sealer. Applying isolation sealer creates a barrier against wax migration, stabilizes the MDF surface, and prevents moisture absorption, resulting in swelling, pinholing, and visible seams. Apply evenly, ensuring edges are covered, and allow for drying. Contact Technipaint's branches for distribution opportunities and technical support. Next, sand lightly for a smoother surface for primer. Now we move on to the Flexothane primer coat. Mixing Flexothane to 2:1 white primer with technical accuracy is crucial. Incorrect ratios might result in film defects, poor curing, surface softness, or delamination. Measure carefully, mix thoroughly with proper induction time, and apply evenly. Apply the primer over the entire board, filling surface imperfections, increasing film thickness, and creating a uniform, smooth layer. Once dry, lightly sand and dust before the Flexothane top coat. Prepare the Flexothane top coat of the primer coat to 2:1 ratio, maintaining the same accuracy. Next, apply Flexothane top coat. We're using the matte finish. Using the full system isolation sealer, Flexothane primer, and top coat ensures optimal performance and durability. Apply with smooth, controlled passes, ensuring consistency and even drying. Compare these two samples, one with isolation sealer and another without, highlighting the superior results with isolation sealer. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Technipaint, paint that performs.